You are struggling with a too short obi? Don't worry, we all do. And today I'm going to show you how to tie a perfect O-taiko with a too short nagoya obi. In case you're here for the first time, my name is Billy Matsunaga and I am a fully trained and certified kimono teacher and stylist. Too short nagoya obi are a common problem even for Japanese. So don't worry, it's not because of your body shape that it doesn't fit, it's more like the obis are way too short, especially when you're a lot into vintage kimono. And to be super honest with you, even those modern nagoya obi you buy brand new in Japan right now, they kind of feel a little short for my taste. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie a perfect O-taiko, and your friends won't even be able to tell that it's not a O-taiko you would have tied the usual way. But super honestly speaking, what isn't there isn't there. So we have to use some tricks and items that will help out with that missing length of the obi. And I'm going to introduce my very favorite kimono item today, and it is this so-called sugata makura. My school, by the way, calls it kigu. Be aware that they have different names for all kimono items depending on which school, which region, and which teacher you are learning at. A sugata makura is a usual makura you would need for the O-taiko Musubi, and it has this ring under it. You can see it's one piece, so you would purchase it like it is. And it has two ties, left and right. And I'm going to show you how to set this up. Before we do that, you also need this kind of cotton piece. Is it called gauze? Let me look that up. Oh yeah.
Gauze.
Gauze. Whatsoever. It should be long enough so that it goes around your upper waist once, and you can secure it with a bow on the front. And you will also need a kimono clip, and I recommend 2 of them. If you don't have them, you can use clothespins, the one you use for hanging up your laundry. So let's get started. We are going to use a nagoya obi, which has a wider part and a part that is already folded into half. Where the obi starts to be folded, you can find this triangle. The wider part of the obi is usually where the O-taiko is created, and the slim part is what you will wrap around your waist. And the O-taiko is usually created somewhere around here under the triangle. Lay the sugata makura you have already turned about a wrist size from the bottom of the triangle on the obi. Fold the triangle down so it'll look like this. The slim part now has to go through the ring of your sugata makura. So put it through the ring and lay it to your left. Straighten out the triangle and clip the top of it onto the middle of the ring to secure it. When you turn it carefully, it should look like this. Fold the O-taiko part up and the inside should look like this. Now you have to install the gauze. Find the middle of it and place it on the middle of the makura. When that is done, install also the obiage the same way. When you fold the obi back down, you are ready. And now that you have the obi set up, I'm going to show you how to put this on. Pin the other clip onto your left collar. When you hold the obi up, always hold the middle of the makura. Or you should hold all layers at the height of the ties that are at the sides of the ring. This will make sure that the shape of the preset O-taiko won't slip out of position. Hold the top of the makura and pass it to your back. Hold the ring of the makura at the height of the ties with both hands and lift the makura to your upper back. Place it under your shoulder blades and bring the ties to your front, where you secure them tightly with a bow. Do also tie the gauze tightly and put it together with the ties behind your obiage. Tie the obiage loosely together so it won't be in the way. Now reach out for the slim part of the obi. Wrap it from left to right around your waist. Make sure that the seam of the obi is facing upwards. Wrap it once around your waist. When you pass it again to the front, stop at the middle of your left chest. This is where you fold the obi back to create a new edge. Make sure to keep this length, because this edge will become the te of the O-taiko. Pass this new edge on the back from your right to your left hand and bring it again to the front. Fold this new edge inside out. Make sure that the part of the inside aligns nicely, because this sometimes tends to sneak out. Wrap the obi around your waist again, from left to right. Hold it with your right hand while your left hand takes off the clip on your back. Your left hand holds the top of the triangle under all those layers of obi, while your right hand pulls to tighten. Bring the te to the front and secure it with the pin in your left hand. Take the clip from your collar to clip all layers on the back onto the bottom of the sugata makura ring. Actually, you do all of this inside under the obi. I only put my obi up to show you all the steps detailed. You don't have to do this. Place a tie on the bottom of the obi around your waist and lay it at this height onto the inside of the O-taiko. Hold the tie with thumb on the inside and pointer on the outside. Roll the obi around your thumbs to create a fold. Hold this fold in the middle with your left hand and slide with your right hand the length of the obi inside. Let the end of the obi seek out for about the length of your pointer. If you're unsure about that length, make it a little shorter, because you can also pull it out later. Secure the tie on the front with a tight bow. Take off the pin on the front. The te has now to pass the O-taiko. You have to pull it through the layer where the tie is, so all of these leftovers in the O-taiko will be held up nicely. Your free left hand will be waiting inside of the O-taiko for the right hand to pass the te on. Your left hand then will pull the te out. Now we secure this with an obijime. I will use this so-called Sanbuhimo with this antique persimmon obidome. find the middle of the obishime and fold it. This is how you will pass it through the obi on top of the te. Again, let your left hand wait inside and it will also pull it through. Tie the obishime on the front. Sanbuhimo are usually secured like I showed you in my previous video, I will link down below. And then you turn the bow to your back and hide this inside of the O-taiko. Take off the tie and clip. Then tie the obiage for what I also have a tutorial which I will link down below. And do not forget to straighten out after you're done. And you're finished. When you, by the way, get used to this, you'll be able to tie your O-taiko in less than 2 minutes. When you don't have a sugata makura at home yet, you can't even imagine how much it will help you for, especially when you want to go kimono shopping, because you don't have to worry how long or how short a obi is. I maybe go obi shopping like others go t-shirt shopping. I just purchase and don't even care because I know I will be able to deal with it and I will be able to tie it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a thumb up or tell me in the comments. And if you have questions or requests for future videos, some things you would like to know about kimono, also tell me that in the comments. And do also feel free to message me on Instagram or comment me on Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be really happy if you'd subscribe and keep sticking around on this channel a little more. And I talk to you in my next video. Bye!